Understanding your Metro by T-Mobile data options begins with knowing how their unlimited plans work. This means after using 22 gigabytes of high-speed data, your connection slows down but doesn't cut off, allowing continued usage at reduced speeds. You have two primary options: data add-ons for a quick boost, such as purchasing additional data like 1 gigabits for $2 or 50 gigabits for $35, or plan changes to upgrade to a higher tier with more high-speed data included. Both data add-ons and plan changes can be managed easily through the My Metro app or by visiting a T-Mobile store in person. In the broader context, Metro by T-Mobile serves millions of users in the competitive prepaid market, helping you stay connected affordably. In summary, choose data add-ons for immediate short-term data needs or opt for plan changes as a long-term solution to meet your usage requirements. Data add-ons are one-time purchases that provide extra high-speed data for temporary needs. Plan changes involve switching to a higher tier plan for a larger monthly high-speed data allowance. If you consistently need more data, upgrading your plan is more cost-effective. Metro's prepaid nature means no contracts, so you can switch plans easily. Also, be aware that some limitations exist with international roaming data, which is a separate cost.